Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tech Hub. In this video, we're going to take a look at Google Forms as part of our winter challenge. Specifically, in this video, we're going to talk about building different surveys with different sections. One great feature of Google Forms is the easy user interface for the person creating the form and also for the person completing it. At this point, we know the basics of Google Forms, so now we want to use this tool to create a survey. In your classroom, this could be used to do a quick knowledge check, get instant feedback from students, or be an SEL check-in to see how students are doing that day. Another great feature of Forms is the ability to continue to a different section based on the response you gave in a previous section. So let's take a look at an example I made here. If you say, how are you feeling this week, or maybe how are you feeling today, you can have a student answer one of the questions, and then that will lead them to a different tab. If I clear the form and try a different feeling, it will lead me to a different section. So here's how you build this out. For section 1, you'll have your title and description. A lot of times I will have section 1 just be like, what is your name? So it's an easy start to a form. So I get the student's name, but also you'll want to collect the emails. So you can add your different questions here, and then after that, you'll want to add sections. So when I add my section, I will just click on the equal sign to add a section, and that will bring up a new one. I can create the section title and then add questions from there. So here you can see I've got 6 different questions, or 6 different sections. And if you look at my first question, I link to 6 different sections here. So as I go through this, so say if you answer happy, this will lead you to a different section than if you answered sad. To help you stay organized, I would suggest naming your different sections. You don't have to do this, but it just makes it easier to link to different sections as you go along. So to link to different answers to the different sections, you're going to want to click the 3 dots, and then you'll select Go to Section based on answer. Once you do that, select where you want the survey participants to be directed based on the answers they give, then fill out the sections with the questions you want answered. Make sure you go to each of the sections to determine what you want to do. So after section 2, if they answered happy, you want to submit form. You don't want to continue on to the next section. This will be the default, but you will want to submit form unless you want them to continue on to a different section. So that's it. So that's how you make a Google form with different pathways as you go along.